what if in the future there exists human beings, or there exists a language or a way for us to communicate for and listen towards the knowledge that these natural counterparts of us know about firsthand. My name is Jasmine Hanisur-Kali, and I am an Indonesian artist and an IP studio owner right here in Jakarta, Indonesia. I have a passion for storytelling and character design since I was a little kid, because I was exposed to so many cartoons and comics. Because of that, I grew up with a passion, and that's why it's my profession right now. Creating the stories, creating characters. I tackle two themes, which are education as well as environment, where I imagine a utopian future where nature and technology, two very different polar things, will be able to combine together and create these technological advancements for us human beings and for our natural counterparts, the plants, the animals. We would be able to live side by side in harmony and even in a higher and a better livelihood, because we as human beings, we have a lot to learn from nature, and so far we learn from observation, from research. Right now, the solution that we have for our earth, for our living problems, is just one perspective, the human perspective. What if we are able to learn the natural perspective? And I think this kind of thinking that I have comes from trying to look at different perspectives from the existing, story, the narrative that people have been saying about the future, most of them being dystopian because of the problems that we have now. And I think it would be great if not only this comic, but also other narrative comic, other fantastical comic out there would be able to see things from different perspective, instead of the perspective that we have right now. Like, what if there exists a comic where superheroes are actually, normal human beings just doing what they're doing, but actually making small impacts that in turn have a butterfly effect that becomes something really big, something really super.